How's it going, friends? This is the Kitchen Fair with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is Chinese long bean stir fry with shrimps. Check out the full video now. See you soon again. Bye. So 1 bag of Chinese long beans, slice it thinly and soak it in water. This has got to be the easiest stir fry Indonesian style. I don't know if it's Indonesian style, but in my household this is the easiest one. And beside long beans, Chinese long beans, you can even use green beans, and you don't need anything else but garlic, butter, if not peanut oil or olive oil, vegetable oil, corn oil, whatever, and you just stir fry it, and then you season it with whatever you want, like sugar, salt, MSG, or just celery salt, or chicken bouillon, beef bouillon, whatever. So it's just simple stir fry that you can flavor with whatever you like. But for today, you don't even have to add anything. If you want to add shrimps, oh yum. But today I'm gonna add slices of chicken, and also a couple of cooked shrimp, like so. You can use raw shrimp, but because I want to use my leftover cooked shrimp, it's not a lot in the bag, so I'm gonna add it to our stir fry. For the garlic itself, there are 4 of them, so we're gonna thinly slice as well. For the chicken, this is only 1 chicken breast that I just cubed it. Now we're gonna heat the peanut oil, and we're gonna saute our garlic. Once you saute the garlic, add in the chicken. Now we're gonna add in our veggies. I like it when the garlic is kind of super well, almost like burning, so it gives a nice aroma and flavoring, but obviously you don't want it burned because garlic can be bitter. So just stir fry it, and then we're gonna cover it with lid before we flavor it. You want to cook the long beans until softened, and season it with chicken bouillon. Again, this is the simplest stir fry ever. You can add any flavoring you like, any protein you like, even with tofu is good. And sometimes I even added I would add bean sprouts. I like adding ground white pepper as well. You can even add bird chilies, red bird eye chilies. And once it's cooked tender, add in our cooked shrimp and cook for another 2 minutes, and your stir fry is good to be served with rice. Super simple.